Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can build a house in Hytale, okay? Now, this is gonna be like a summary of it because this can get really complex. Actually, most of the things that you're going to do in Hytale or a lot of the things that people do in this game is actually building very complicated and very fancy houses, okay? But this is up to your creativity. So I'm gonna show you the basic process and then you can just build upon it and basically do whatever you want, okay? But what are the basic things you need to do? First of all, guys, you need a builder workbench, okay? This is gonna allow you to basically turn your raw ores into the walls, the stones and everything that is gonna be your house, okay? So you need basically your cobblestone or stone, um, blocks, okay? All right, so once you're here, I just want you to build a lot of things, okay? This is gonna allow you to build like chairs, for example, roofs, anything, okay? Anything you can imagine, you're gonna be able to build with the builder's workbench, okay? Now, for building a house, you're gonna need to have like a lot of stone, okay? This can be cobblestone, this can be like wooden walls, whatever, okay? But you're gonna need a lot of materials, okay? So be patient and get them, okay? Because, the bigger your house is, the more materials you're going to need, okay? However, you can just stop building, and maybe if you run out of them, you can go get them. Okay, but yeah, just start doing it. So what are we gonna do? First of all, guys, we're gonna dig a 1 block deep trench for our outline. Okay, so let's say that I want my house to be like, for example, this one here. I'm gonna do it not so big maybe as the other one because I don't want to be it around forever. But yeah, so just dig a 1 block deep outline, okay? And guys, like I said, this is pretty basic, okay? But it's just gonna give you like your base where you can just rest and you can have your maybe your farm and all that, okay? So, okay, once you have that, you need to grab your cobblestone maybe. Okay, I actually have one here. Okay, you need to grab your cobblestone and you need to start filling this whole thing, okay? This is basically gonna prevent the grass from clipping and from growing, okay? And your home is gonna be like more stable and better built basically, okay? Because if you have grass, it's not gonna look good, and grass actually might grow later, and you don't want that, okay? So we're gonna put a lot of our cobblestone or whatever, metal, whatever thing you want to use, stone, okay? This is up to you completely, of course, okay? Just make sure it's one level, okay? Now, guys, again, you must have done the work on the builder's workbench, okay? So now that this is done, we need to put basically the walls, okay, of our house. So we're just gonna come to the outline here, and we're gonna do start exactly the same thing, okay? Exactly the same. So you just put the walls in here, and now, guys, you need to start filling this, okay? So depending on how tall you want your house to be, you can do this like multiple layers or not. But yeah, as you can see, I'm in creative mode right now, but obviously you're not going to be. So what you have to do is you have to use some kind of ladder, some kind of, chair, some kind of wall to kind of help yourself, okay? What I like to do as well is, if I don't have the materials for a rope, for example, I like to use my remaining cobblestone to kind of build a little stair for me, okay? So I can actually, get up and start putting these blocks, okay? Because as I said before, you need this height to be putting all of this material here, okay? So just make sure to build this however tall you want it to be. For me, it's gonna be a thing like this. It's on here. Okay, that's pretty much it. And now you basically have to put your roof, okay? Which is this kind of slope thing. So you can see I have done it here. Okay, I still need the horizontal roofs to kind of complete it. But yeah, that is basic, okay? I just have to basically do this. Okay, I'm gonna get out of creative mode. So you can see, you can just put it here. That's why I actually I told you to use some kind of stair so you can do this easily. And always be careful with this, thing, because you're gonna get, gonna destroy what you did before, okay? So just make sure to put everything here like so. Okay, once you have your roof, it's gonna look like this. Once you put the horizontal tile in, you must come to the simple wooden door. I'm gonna make a hole here and just make it a hole like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it like this and it's gonna look like so. Okay, and I can press F to interact, and this is my home. Okay, it's pretty similar to what I did before, as you can see. Maybe this is a little bit better, but it's actually the same. Okay, it's gonna look like this. And here you can actually start placing maybe chairs, whatever furniture you have actually. But all of this you can just build in the builder's workbench, okay? And you can get as creative, as complicated as you want. This is infinite, okay? And there's many beautiful pieces of houses in Minecraft or in this game, okay? So just be creative. Thank you so much.